Okay guys, so market decided to take a big dive here. We were marking this point over here and the market reversed and then it stalled and went away down. So we decided to take a little short here. Okay, so let's see if the market, there's lots of imbalances to the downside. Okay, we got there was profit taken here, 1200 contracts, but sellers just kept on pushing the price. So let's see if we can win this trade, guys. The tape is moving. We see lots of sellers in the tape, guys. Lots of sellers. Nasdaq is just, oh, you see the volume here in the downside is sellers taking control of the market. Okay, we see if we can catch a little run here. Need to see sellers in the tape in the Nasdaq.
Short sig.
Okay, we got high volume. You see the sellers in the tape.
Short signal, yes.
Okay, we need to get the last target. And let's see if we have a second push. It's a free trade, guys. No problem here. For one instance, I thought the market was gonna reverse here and continue higher, but the sellers just crushed the market, guys. Buyers just couldn't hold their positions. See more sellers in the tape.
Brick setup.
Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna exit this trade. Okay, it was a winner. Okay, guys, we're gonna wait and see if we can catch another one. Okay, guys, so I made it 2 shorts here. I don't like this indecision right now. The market can
Short signal,
still
yes.
go short,
Short
but
signal, yes.
can reverse right now. So I'm gonna wait, guys. I made well 2 good trades here. It's very good. So we'll wait. We see still imbalances over here in the micro ES, but I
Brick
see lots
setup.
of buyers in the tape. So it's a market is a little bit mixed. So we're gonna leave it there, guys, for now. Let's see if I can find something to the close of the market. Okay, so non-market, I don't like this type of environment. It already made 3 boxes to the downside, so it's making a lot of wicks, so it will just trap me. Okay, so you see right now, if I shorted here, I would have been stopped out already. So we manage the principle. Okay, 3 boxes, market is stalling. Okay, so we see 2 boxes here, market reversed. Okay, you see 1 box here, market stopped, and then the tape continued. You see the magenta line over here in the bar. Well, you don't even need to see anything else. Market is
Long signal, yes.
crazy. Okay. Okay, we see visual imbalance here, guys. 2,900
Long
contracts.
signal, yes. Long signal, long signal,
This
yes.
is profit taking, guys, from this short. These guys are taking profit right now. You see what I tell you, guys? These boxes are not for, not for fashion. This thing will tell you if price is congesting. Okay, you cannot enter a market if, or it will advise you that early that the market is stopping.
Long
Okay?
signal,
You don't
yes.
see it because in the Unirencos you don't have dojis and hammers and all those things that you have
Long
in
signal
Minotaur,
and Q.
or those candles that are tick chart and the crazy candles that people use. But you can see the congestion here. This is what we need to see. Okay, that's what we need to see. exactly the congestion when market stops. I prefer 3 boxes. Okay, if I see 3 boxes, I'm okay with it. Okay, you see here, guys, tick, touch the ATR to the tick, reversed, and what happens when it was going up? It made 3 boxes, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, what did the market do? It stalled. They said, no, we don't want to go long. We don't want to go long, and they shorted. It was a big down price here. Let's see how much it was, guys. Was 35 ticks. It's a lot of money, guys. Okay, so right now we are in the ATR. We're just waiting the ATR. The market is gonna react from here. Let's see what the market will do. I'm gonna place a limit order here, guys. Let's see if price can continue lower. Okay, we got filled. Give it some room. We already have enough caution, guys. So the worst can happen is we get a break even.
Brick setup.
Okay, there you go. 225, 262.
Short signal and Q.
Okay, there you go, guys. We're in a free trade now. Okay, I'm gonna exit this trade, guys. The market is very crazy. Okay, let's see sellers in the tape. Very little sellers. I don't see the 100, 200 guys, 400 guys. Okay, we lost this one, guys. Market reverse that you can see. So we shorted where we need to short it. We just got one contract. At least we just lose like 100 bucks here. I don't know, no big deal. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.